Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Kim Kardashian's bottle of champagne photo shoot on Dress to Impress. So for the hair I just use this one and the bun. I don't think it matters. I also did this one in no bangs and I just colored it black. I'll just do the accessory adjustment first and I'll just remove everything so you guys can see what I'm using. For the accessory adjustment, I selected this headband, colored it white and glitter material. For the adjustment, X at 0.68, Y at 0.48, Z at 0.12. Rotation, X at 0.36, Y at 0.45, Z at 0. And scale at 0.57. For this headband, again, I colored it the same. Position, X at 0.83, Y at 0.23, Z at 0.13. Rotation, X at 0.39, 95, Y at 0.81, Z at 1, and scale it down to 0.25. Then I just did this cup in the second toggle in green and like white for the straw and glitter. Then for the fit, we are going to use this dress from Style Showdown, and we're going to just take off the skirt here. Then for the glove, we're just going to use this one in black. Just remove the fur. And then for the necklace, you can layer a lot of necklace because she does look like she has like a thick pearl necklace on. But I'm just going to go with one, I think. Let me see, what else can I layer? I guess like I can layer this one too. And then for the earrings, I'm going to just use this one and this one in that color. I think I might make this a little bit lighter. And that is it. That is how you can create the Kim Kardashian Champagne magazine cover. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.